Boom, what up? I never got to mention, but I got a new gs300. Let me show y'all. New, I mean, new to me. But anyways, right now I'm taking off the interior. Got black right there. Sports design. So, still need the dash doors, front seats, and carpet. But, that's how it's looking. Oh yeah. Got one right here. Check this shit out. Oh yeah. Let me show you around this car. Hey yo, so day 2, got all these panels in and everything. Now I'm doing the headline. Already got it off. Taking this off the headline, what's it called? The sun visor cover or whatever. The sliding thing. So you gotta take the damn whole upper sunroof mount, whatever it's called. Anyways, been screwing bolts, didn't know how to get this off. So let me show y'all. You unscrew this bolt right here. This upper bolt, that same on that side, and one bolt right here. And then you push this bracket up. Same on that side. And you just pull the headliner out like that. There's gonna be a few hidden bolts. Take these brackets off. All these right here. I took everything off except the fronts. So make sure there's a few hidden brackets way under here. So keep an eye on that. It's a pain in the ass, but it gotta be done. Alright yo, so I'm done with all the shit. Let me show you how I did. Forgot to mention that. Let me unlock the door real quick. So, all that in here. The headliner. Boom. See the lights. I've been painted the plastic trim piece. Oh man, vision pretty bad out here. Let me turn it off. Maybe that's better. Anyways, I got it all in here. Got the back seats in here. Yes, sir. I probably see it better. Maybe not. I'll just show it tomorrow. Push the bracket in here. I'm not quite done, but basically pretty much done. The door's looking good. Let me show you the exterior. I put the wood trim front bezel with the who cares what you call it, but it's here, looking good. Yes, sir. What we listening to? Lil Wayne. Alright. Here's what it's looking like so far. Nothing special. Cleaned up the headlights. Fix up the running fan problem. Put a new radiator in. Welded up the exhaust. Basically, all we gotta do is put on new seats, front dash, and we'll be good with the interior. But let me get back in the car. You know, I gotta say, I kind of like this car. I had an FC300 Q45. I love the Q45. Had to sell it, get some money. But I had the SC manual SC300, as you can see in my YouTube videos. Sold that. Had a lot of money, not a lot. It's about $6,500. Sold the car, and I didn't like that car, you know. Maybe because, I don't know, I kind of felt depressed with that shit. So I sold it. Maybe I felt depressed because I wanted to buy some more parts and I ain't had no money. So I got this bitch for like $1,200. Fix it up. Put like maybe 1K in. Maybe not that. Maybe $800 all total. So far, liking it, man. Pretty chill, laid back car. Don't gotta flex. Just chilling, you know. Got a check engine light. Got the infamous VSC, whatever that is, traction control maybe. That rear light, I got a missing busted light bulb, but so far it's running good. 216 in the clock. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Anyway, guys, I know I've been slacking with my YouTube videos. I ain't had enough money to go buy shit and record it. Plain simple. So stay tuned. I'm gonna do all kinds of shit with this car if I got the money. If I don't, I'm gonna fucking save. And the video is gonna be longer. Phew. But anyway, stay tuned. Watch it. Like it. Give me some motivation. Go make some money. Actually, I'm already motivated. Give me some motivation to spend some money on cars. Because I gotta save up. You know, who knows. That's that. Follow me. Like. I don't even give a fuck about that. Just subscribe. If you want. I don't give a fuck. Just watch the video, I guess. Peace out.